Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In lesson 26, we'll be learning the mustahibat in namaz. Mustahibat is less than sunnah, meaning that if a mustahibat is missed, it is not as bad as missing a sunnah. That being said, mustahibat brings us closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and is of 8. Mustahibat also brings us to khushu and khuzu. Now going into the 8 types of mustahibats. The first one is, when in qiyam, you should look at the spot when you are going to make sajda. The second is, when you are in a ruku, look at your feet. When in sajda, look at your nose. When in jalsa or sitting, you should look at your lap. The fifth one is, when exiting the salah, say assalamu alaikum, then look to the right shoulder, then to the left. The sixth is, if you are covered with a blanket or sheet, take your hands out and say takbir tahrima. This is for men only. Women should not take their hands out. The seventh is yawning. If you feel like you're about to yawn, try to control it to the best of your ability. But if you cannot control it, then cover your mouth with your right hand. If for some reason your right hand is not available or for other conditions, then you may cover your mouth with your left hand. The 8th and final mustahibat is, when standing, the distance between your feet should be about 4 to 8 inches. The beauty of Islam is in its ibadah. Islam in the Quran teaches us how to live our life, the purpose of our life, how to worship, how to be clean, how to better oneself and better the lives of the people around us. And most importantly, how to get closer to our Rabb. This way of life is lost within the kuffar, and this is why they are depressed and have gone astray. Only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives us happiness and sadness. It is up to us to use the logic and the wisdom that Allah Azza wa Jal bestowed upon us to find the truth and what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala expects from us, which is complete and total obedience and submission. I pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keeps all of you happy and accepts all of the du'as of the Muslims. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.